Come test drive the 2023 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, tow hitch, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, brake assist. Inside you'll find navigation system, backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.